Stephen, as the father of 6 children, it's probably crossed your mind as an estate planning attorney that you need to provide for these children should something happen to you.
I've thought of it a few times.
How would you recommend doing that?
Well, this is one of the areas where having a plan can make a really huge difference in the experience if you do pass away while the kids are still young. The baseline plan that Maryland would put in place is very different than what most of us would choose for our family. So one of the options that we advise people on and that people have had good experiences with is called the Common Pot Trust. All right, the Common Pot Trust essentially means we're going to keep all of the assets in a single pot, okay, that can be used to care for any and all of the children. All right, so it can be used to pay for any of their regular expenses. We're going to say who's in charge of that money and what the basic rules are in your plan. When the youngest child reaches a certain age, normally we say they graduate from college or they turn 25, then the remaining money is going to split up and be divided among the kids. But what's really good about this is that it keeps the money together, it provides for the whole family, okay, to get all the kids into adulthood, and it doesn't put, an 18-year-old in charge of a whole bunch of money when they're not ready. It's a very good transitional planning tool. There's things you can do to tweak it for your family's situation, but it's something that families should know about. If you know parents of young kids, whether they have 1 or 5 or 6, this is really an area where they can improve their situation if, God forbid, they die while their kids are young.
What's also important to figure out how to fund the money for things like life insurance policies that they get directed into that plan and retirement plans.